For many years, most Israelis have had just one legal way to get married in the Jewish state, God's way. In the Holy Land, the law sanctions only Orthodox rabbis to perform Jewish weddings. However, this restriction is seeing much opposition as some Israelis see it as a religious stranglehold on what should be the most precious moment of their lives. Many couples are now opting for alternative ceremonies which are performed in Israel by a non-Orthodox rabbi, with Facebook pages recently popping up showing defiant couples calling on others to boycott the rabbinate.
We actually got married about a month ago with a rabbi, but it was a Reformic rabbi because we wanted to have something that has to do with the Jewish tradition, but with its more progress and beautiful sides, and not with the old-fashioned and sides that we don't really relate to.
Such weddings are not against the law in Israel. However, they are not recognised as valid by the Interior Ministry, who are responsible for registering marital status on the national identity card, which is something every Israeli is required to carry. However, a twist in the law allows the ministry to register an Israeli couple that ties the knot. According to the Central Bureau of Statistics, around 9,000 couples married out of the country in 2011, and while in Israel, nearly 40,000 Jewish couples were married via the rabbinate. The rabbinate states that it is charged with the task of preventing intermarriage and assimilation, and that is vital for the survival of the Jewish people.
Our responsibility is for all the generations of Jews before us and those who will come after us. If in our generation, under our watch, a situation of discontinuity will be created, it's an unbearable responsibility. Our responsibility is to keep the continuation of the Jewish people. We work here in full awareness that if the chain is broken, it is our responsibility.
As with other religions, same-sex marriages are out of the question as far as the rabbinate is concerned, whereas Israel's Interior Ministry recognises gay marriage, but only if the ceremony takes place abroad in a country where it is legal.
I want a rabbi, I'm Jewish. I want a Jewish wedding, my family, my traditions, it's how I grew up. The rabbinate does not speak to me or recognize me, not in the sense of a Jew. My mother is Jewish, but I married a woman, so that rubric doesn't fit their box. Civil marriage is necessary for anyone who doesn't fit in that box, and I choose to live in Israel. I made Aliyah in 2007. Judaism is very important to me.
At least two parties in Israel's governing coalition are promoting a bill to allow civil marriage, but tradition could die hard in Israel. A poll published earlier this month showed that while 41% of Jewish Israelis supported the civil union bill, 47% opposed it. Such bills have been floated at Israeli parliament before, but the difference this time is that ultra-Orthodox parties who strongly oppose civil marriage are not in government.